Today's Tip Tuesday on ShowMeTheCurry.com. I'm Anuja, behind the camera.
We're catching flies today.
And that's Hetal. And she's armed to catch a fly.
Where did it go?
It is somewhere here. It's hiding. It's hiding. Okay, the wait begins. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Okay, turn it off. I don't even see it.
Stay tuned. Did Hetal catch the fly? Where is it? We just saw it. Where did it go? Come on. Are you ready, Hetal?
I'm ready.
For the fly?
I'm ready and waiting.
Yeah.
Fly is camera shy.
No?
It's seriously gone, no?
I guess you guys will have to stay tuned. Day 2. And guess who's here? We got a little visitor. Look at this. Look at that. And look, stealth mode. Hetal comes in. And. Oh my god!
I got it!
Whoa!
Do we see others? Like
Fly versus Hetal. Guess who wins? Score, Hetal! Yay!
I will let it out safely without swatting it and without killing it. This is the humane way to do things, alright?
Alright. Good job, Hetal. So, Hetal did a good job. She got the fly out of here. We are all safe. I'm so happy. She was my knight in shining armor. But the reason or the funda behind her catching the fly with a bag is, first of all, she did have a bag with no holes in it, is the fact that flies usually fly upwards. They don't fly sideways. So when you have a bag and you're catching it like that, it's going to fly up into the bag, and then she just went, there you go. So, and then of course she took it out. She was sweet enough and took it out. Plus, you know, that's the best thing to do, because who wants to swat a fly and have all of it splattered all over the place? So this is cleaner, better, and you get to sharpen your skills.
Your ninja skills.
Your ninja skills, that's so true. So that's your tip for today, and join us again on another Tuesday with another tip on ShowMeTheCurry.com.